How do I add a calendar to a cell in Google Sheets? Select the cell where you want to add the pop-up calendar. From the menu bar, click on Data. Select Data Validation from the drop-down menu. In the Data Validation Rules panel that appears, click Add Rule. Under the Criteria drop-down menu, select Is Valid Date. Click Done. Now, when you double-click on this cell within the selected range, a calendar pop-up will appear, enabling you to easily select a date. To remind others to double-click the cell, select the cell and go to Insert, then Note. Add a message explaining how to use the date picker.